Welcome back to Geography Genius, where we explore the wonders of our world and uncover the truths behind common myths. In today's adventure, we'll unveil 20 geography facts that people often get wrong. Prepare to be amazed, as some of these facts might just flip your world upside down. Number 1. Many people think that the Amazon is the longest river in the world, but it's actually the Nile River. The Nile River extends for about 6,150 km, 4,130 miles, making it the longest river due to its flow from Burundi through northeastern Africa to Egypt. Number 2. Australia is the largest island. That's wrong. Greenland is actually the world's largest island, covering around 2.16 million square kilometers, whereas Australia is considered a continent due to its size, and therefore not considered an island. Number 3. Russia has around 7 or 8 time zones. Russia spans 11 time zones, from the western parts of Europe to the easternmost points of Asia, reflecting its vast geographical spread. Number 4. Mount Everest is the closest point to space on Earth. Ecuador's Mount Chimborazo's peak in is the furthest from the center of the Earth due to the planet's oblate spheroid shape, making it closer to space despite Everest's higher elevation above sea level. Number 5. The Sahara is the largest desert in the world. It's actually Antarctica. Antarctica is considered the largest desert, defined by low precipitation levels, covering over 14 million square kilometers, far exceeding the Sahara's area. Number 6. Vatican City is just a city within Rome. Vatican City is a sovereign city-state and the smallest independent country in the world by area and population, serving as the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church. Number 7. The Great Wall of China can be seen from space with the naked eye. Well, astronauts have confirmed that the Great Wall is not visible from low Earth orbit without aid, debunking a long-standing myth. Number 8. The Dead Sea is the saltiest body of water on Earth. Wrong. Don Juan Pond in Antarctica has a higher salinity, with over 40% salinity compared to the Dead Sea's 34%, due to its extremely high concentration of calcium chloride. Number 9. The Moon is wider than Australia. Australia's east to west width is about 4,000 kilometers, making it wider than the Moon's diameter of approximately 3,174 kilometers, showcasing Australia's vast size. Number 10. Greenland is green and Iceland is icy. Iceland has a greener landscape due to its milder climate and geothermal activity, while Greenland is mostly covered with ice, reflecting the irony in their names. Number 11. Earth's land area is larger than the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean's area, exceeding 165 million square kilometers, is greater than all of Earth's land combined, highlighting its immense size. Number 12. Russia or Australia has the longest coastline. It's actually Canada's coastline that stretches over 202,080 kilometers, the longest in the world, due to its numerous bays, inlets, and islands along the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic Oceans. Number 13. Most of the world's largest countries are in other continents besides Asia. 4 of the world's 10 largest countries, including Russia, China, India, and Kazakhstan, are in Asia, illustrating the continent's vast geographical diversity and size. Number 14. Alaska is just the westernmost state in the U.S. Alaska is both the westernmost and easternmost state due to the Aleutian Islands extending into the eastern hemisphere. This geographical spread across the 180th meridian means Alaska technically enjoys the unique position of being the U.S. state that is furthest west and east. Number 15. Mount Kilimanjaro is in Kenya. Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa, is actually located in Tanzania, not Kenya. It is a common mistake due to its close proximity to the Kenyan border and its visibility from certain parts of Kenya. Number 16. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west everywhere on Earth, every day. The sun only rises due east and sets due west exactly on the equinoxes. For most locations on Earth, The exact direction of sunrise and sunset shifts throughout the year due to the tilt of the Earth's axis relative to its orbit around the sun. Number 17. The Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. This is a common oversimplification. While the Amazon rainforest is a significant source of oxygen through photosynthesis, the net oxygen contribution to the Earth's atmosphere is much smaller because the rainforest consumes almost as much oxygen as it produces through respiration and decomposition processes. Number 18. All deserts are hot. Not all deserts are hot. Deserts are defined by their dry conditions, not their temperature. For example, the Antarctic desert and the Gobi Desert in Mongolia experience very cold temperatures, demonstrating that deserts can also be cold. Number 19. Madagascar is part of the African continent. Madagascar is the fourth largest island in the world and is located in the Indian Ocean off the southeast coast of Africa. While it is geographically close to Africa, it is politically and geographically distinct as an island nation. Number 20. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Lightning frequently strikes the same places repeatedly, especially if they are tall, pointy, and isolated. The Empire State Building in New York City, for example, is struck by lightning about 23 times a year. This misconception likely arises from the statistical improbability of the same person or object being struck multiple times. But in reality, geographic and structural features make certain locations highly prone to repeated lightning strikes. And there you have it, explorers. 20 fascinating geography facts that challenge what many of us thought we knew about our incredible planet. From the lightning-struck peaks of the Empire State Building to the misunderstood nature of deserts, our world is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. Thank you for joining us on this adventure at Geography Genius. If you've enjoyed unraveling these myths with us, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with fellow geography enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing explorations.